vidana baki saochi ndo ngono ngai wole ukina luvalo manikoro e taumbina uda luvalo manikoro ngai la ploch como já sangai me mama da taki ye me buluta bulu lomoni bulu senga ngochi me laumo pi ndona nguna me reda no kai wata na kinan tua e no mbeka mai ra e ka ko me kilna toba launa siwo lau mo ina vevu kini matentu itu zate u lau sana na pulpat ye me do bingo sa mamada yang ngono ngado ngai taumbi nauda unga o cha chutana na kok zeda $1 mada ye na wole usa senga asini o batena raw me do chumingo e liusa berta mate sarana do yengo sa bultel na do anga chile bultel na coachini do
The intervention by the government during our visit was so fast, and we thank the Ministry of Information for what you've said with the government on the need that Ogea badly need in terms of our response from the government. From then, we were able to get a clear scope from the village of Ogea with the assistance of the Toranikoro and the Matintikin on what are the needs that will help them in terms of the recovery that they wanted. And we listened to them for the first time. We listened to them on what they have been doing, or the practices, the good practices they have been sharing with us, and we work with them. And that's where the government intervention or assistance that we did assist them with here.
Naka una vevo nakta ina vevo kini matentu gala mai begitu ina bulu ni lago ni pulpat o sini sumara seta muna tukuna mi balik cerita kani vevo
the government assistance around $24,241 was given to them on that the provision of the drainage with the footpath and seawall and solar street light. So we worked together with them. They provided raw materials like boulders or rocks, and with the labor we supply hardware equipments with other assistance from our side. That include cutters, which is one of the challenges that we normally face in Laos, and that's where they were able to do the project that was that we all witnessed during our visit with the team. It was a partnership between government and the community, in which they were so happy to do the work so fast that resulted to what we have experienced during your visit. We are thankful to our managers, our senior management of the ministry, who take the bold step to come in and approve the funding on a very short notice, or very short time. Maybe with your information that was said during with the government page that helped them to take action so fast from our management. We thank the ministry for doing that, not only in Ogea, other parts of Laos and the whole of Fiji, with the practices that you've been doing on sharing on what are some of the burning issues that the community are facing.
Gua ngayam bungi nga sa wangka binasa tuhan dini pupat. Gua sa karungan itu mesuwa. Telefoni sa wifi sa lakot. Karuangan itu mesuwa.
they were so happy about the changes for the past years. They've been facing that the problem or the issues. Now they are a bit happy about it.
E visurich tunganya koro vira tumai suwa songo ni sa tau huli, tau avavaka, bula tuina koro. Tumai suwa karunga ni tumai suwa tuina koro. Kanga ovina kata, roata. E kanga ni tumai suwa una avavaka ona kei tarara mo lapo. Tuina koro siang o sintero ni lapo ronga ni kumbula.